Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to lower your ping and get smoother games in Apex Legends. So first of all, what you need to make sure is that you have your internet connected through the cable, not using a Wi-Fi connection. That will not work in this game. So make sure you are connected through the cable. Go to your Google and test your internet speeds so you can see how much download speed per second you have. So they say you should have at least 2 megabytes per second to even run this game. So make sure you connect your internet through cable. You can also use your phone internet for that and use USB tethering. And next, make sure you exit and quit all of the apps that are running in the background. And also make sure you updated your drives for the internet, which you can do, as you can see on my screen, by going into your settings, and on the right you have updating tutorial, which will guide you how to update the drivers on your PC. So with that out of the way, let's go in game and see the next steps that we need to take. So now you can press on tab or go directly to data center over here and choose the closest or some of the closest servers that you have on the list with no packet loss. Next step is going to your settings and scroll all the way down until you find performance display. Make sure that you turn that on, and if you go into a game or firing range, you will be able to see the display on your right side. So as you can see, but this didn't quite fix our problems, so we are going to go back to our desktop and run Task Manager. You can find it in your search bar. And just make sure you exit all of the background apps that you don't need, especially VPN services. If you're using VPN through the day, make sure you end the process through the task manager of all of those apps. And as you can see, MS has dropped, but they still haven't fixed my problem. I still have some lag, so I went to the internet and found some launch codes that I could use to stabilize my connection even more through Steam. So go to your Steam, right click on Apex Legends, then go to properties, and you will need to paste these two codes inside the launch options. I will leave the codes below. Next, go to your updates and make sure you choose this option which says pause my background downloads while I'm playing. This will make your game much smoother and your downloading will not interrupt your gameplay at all. As you can see, I don't have any more packet loss and my ping is much lower. And with all of that in place, you should be able to get your problem fixed. That's all I have for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me down below in the comments. Let me know if this video helped you to get rid of your lagging problems and lower your ping. And I will see you in the next video.